My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick tutorial using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. I wanted to do something that was going to be representative of the upcoming fall season, and I just wanted to use like this antique like olive green in here and do just, you know, like a green smoky eye. So if you would like to see how to get this look here with this palette, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Yeah, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so we're gonna be recreating this look on the other side using the Morphe and Jeffree Star Artistry palette. So I'm gonna start out with Mr. Diva, this like orangish color as a transition shade, and I'm gonna use a Sigma E40. My eye's already primed with some concealer, and I set it with a translucent powder. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease from outer to inner corner. The Morphe M441, and the color, what's the T? It's kind of like a greenish brown, greenish yellowish brown. So now I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and go in with Boss Angeles, which is kind of like this terracotta, like reddish brown that I am obsessed with. I love this color so much. And slowly bring it into the crease, and I turn my brush to the side to help blend it up. And with some of 1985, what a good year, and the Morphe M441, and just kind of go over the outer edges to blend it out and make it look seamless. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. little concealer brush and go in with some ColourPop No Filter concealer. Start off by just putting that in the center of my lid as it falls over. And then I'm gonna look up, and that's where my crease is going to go. Let that dry a little bit and work on the lower lash line in the meantime. So I'm going to go in with this Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in Teal Waters. And I'm going to go in with Boss Angeles. brush you're using. The reason I'm letting it dry some is because if I try to put the shadow on when it's too wet, like the color of the shadow won't really show through, and it'll just kind of get to be like a sticky mess, and then it gets on your brush and then it kind of starts taking color off instead of laying the shadow down. At least that's what I've found to be the case if I don't wait for it to dry. So now I'm going to go in with Glam Rapids, which is this pretty like antique olive shimmer. And this is a Moon River like concealer brush I got from Amazon. So now I'm going to clean up the outer corner. I'm going to take this Essence Smoky Eyes pencil brush, and first I'm going to go in with Los Angeles just a little bit to kind of deepen that color up some. And then I'm going to go in with Hi Dude, which is like this dark brown right here. To take this like silicone brush, you can use your finger if you would like, and I'm just going to get it wet with some setting spray. I'm going to go in with this pressed glitter in Millions. I'm going to put that on the center of my lip. Or my finger. Now to highlight the brow bone, I'm going to use LYNN, this like bone shade right here. I'm also going to take that same color and clean brush. You can use a crease brush or is any sort of like fluffy brush, and this is like one of my favorite tricks. Go in the center with that skin colored shadow and you just go over the inner, and that kind of cleans it up and makes everything look blended together. I'm also going to line my upper waterline with this MARC Jacobs matte highliner matte gel eye crayon in Earthquake. Okay, so I'm going to be using my magnetic eyelashes and liner. So for liner, that's what I'm going to be using. You can just use a black or dark brown eyeliner, whatever you would like to use. While I continue to let that dry, I'm going to put some mascara on. I'm going to use my MARC Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. Alright, I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and show you guys the completed look, and we'll do a lip and all that good stuff. Alright. Okay, so here is the completed makeup look. And for the lips, I wanted to do this one like a really pale nude. So my go-to for that is the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips in Kim KW. Yep, so here is the completed look. I think it's perfect for like the upcoming fall, and I thought it looked really cute with the leopard and everything too. I'm ready for fall already, even though it's like 90 degrees outside. But alright guys, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you next time.